Welcome to Yes Kids Educational Channel.
Are you hungry?
A little, yes.
What's your favorite food?
I really enjoy pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like moderately spicy food.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can prepare many dishes.
What did you have for lunch?
I had rice and vegetables.
Do you want to go to a restaurant?
Sure, that sounds nice.
What kind of restaurant do you prefer?
I like Italian restaurants.
Have you tried sushi?
Yes, I have tried it before.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, almost every morning.
How do you like your coffee?
I prefer it with a little milk.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I rarely skip breakfast.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mangoes are my favorite.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat them regularly.
Are you on a diet?
No, I just try to eat balanced meals.
Do you have any food allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
I usually eat dinner at 7:30 p.m.
Do you snack between meals?
Yes, sometimes I eat fruit.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love cheesecake.
How often do you eat out?
A few times each month.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes, but not very often.
What's the best restaurant in town?
There are many good restaurants here.
Do you tip at restaurants?
Yes, when the service is good.
Have you ever worked in a restaurant?
No, I haven't.
What's your favorite drink?
Fresh lemonade is my favorite drink.
What's your favorite snack?
I like potato chips.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, I cook a few times a week.
Can you make pasta?
Yes, it's one of my favorite dishes to cook.
Do you like homemade food?
Yes, I think it's healthier and tastier.
What do you usually drink with dinner?
I usually drink water or juice.
Do you like seafood?
Yes, I enjoy seafood very much.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate is my favorite.
How much water do you drink every day?
I drink about 2 liters of water.
Do you like eating healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat healthy most of the time.
Can you use chopsticks?
Yes, I can use them.
What's your favorite soup?
I like chicken soup.
Do you like grilled food?
Yes, I love grilled chicken.
What do you usually order at a restaurant?
I usually order chicken with rice.
Do you like sweet or salty food?
I prefer sweet food.
What do you eat when you're hungry?
I usually eat a sandwich.
Do you enjoy baking?
Yes, I enjoy baking cakes and cookies.
What's your favorite vegetable?
Broccoli is my favorite vegetable.
Do you like fresh juice?
Yes, especially orange juice.
Have you ever eaten at a buffet?
Yes, I have. It was a great experience.
What's your favorite meal of the day?
Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day.
Do you like to eat at home or at restaurants?
I prefer eating at home.
What's your favorite breakfast?
I usually enjoy eggs and toast.
Do you like hot drinks or cold drinks?
I prefer hot drinks.
Can you make a salad?
Yes, it's easy to prepare.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and milk.
Do you enjoy trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new dishes.
Do you usually cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner several times a week.
What's your favorite pizza topping?
I like cheese and mushrooms.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.